Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to speak English confidently. To speak English confidently, you just need to understand two aspects, that is mental aspect and physical aspect. Mental aspect is something which is related to your mind and the physical aspect is something which is related to your body. Starting with the mental aspect, the first one which I would like to tell you is don't be negative. Yes, don't be negative about what you're talking. Be always positive and confident. I have seen my students always thinking and worried about what they're talking. They always used to come and complain me that, ma'am, am I talking wrong English or are my sentences wrong? Am I pronouncing it properly or not? So this whole thing induces into the negativity. So what you have to do is stop thinking negative and be confident with the positivity that you're talking correctly. So let us think about whether your English is right or wrong in the next step. But when you're talking, be positive and confident. Our second aspect is don't be serious about your mistakes. Yes, I have seen many people, they are always worried. Am I using the right preposition? And they end up being so serious that don't utter a single word. Yes, I understand that you want to use the correct preposition, you want to use the correct tense for your situation, but it doesn't mean that you stop talking by thinking whether you're right or wrong. Of course, you can learn, there is always a way out, but yes, first you have to commit mistakes. If you commit mistake, then and only then you are going to learn English. So don't be so serious about the mistakes you make, just be positive. First physical aspect to improve your confidence while speaking English is always keep your body straight. When you're sitting, when you're standing or you're talking to someone, always make your body postures straight and make a direct eye contact. Always maintain a smile on your face and breathe. Yeah, don't try to hold your breath when you're talking to someone because you're nervous. Just let it go. Be calm and breathe properly. So the aspect is practice. Yes, as the age-old saying says, practice makes man perfect. So when you practice, you will be perfect. So practice so that you will be confident. So you can ask me, what are the ways to practice? So there are some few steps where you can go in front of the mirror, talk to yourself. Mirror is your best companion. It doesn't mocks you back. So you can go in front of the mirror, practice, and you can choose a friend, a good friend of yours, so that you can perform in front of your friend and ask them to give you the feedback. Or else you can just pick a small child, and because child doesn't judge you, it could be a good companion for you. Just sit in front of the child and do some activities, something which is related to your speaking of English. And the other thing which is very easier for you nowadays is use your phone, record your voice and just watch, listen to it where you are going wrong or where you could improve yourself. And the other thing is selfie cameras are available nowadays, so you can record yourself in front of the camera and work on your body postures, your expressions, your pronunciation and all this stuff. When you are going to practice, please practice in the low pressure situation. So you may get confused and what is the high pressure situation. So imagine you are giving an interview where you are not at all prepared. That could be your high pressure situation. So always don't just run to the interview without any practice. Practice in the low pressure situation. That is when you are calm and peaceful. Then you can go and give your interview at the best, which is the high pressure situation for you. Find this video useful, please like and share with your friends. If you have any queries or any suggestions, please write in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. I see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Namaste.